Hello everyone, I am Jehrin J, second MSc Biology from St. Mary's College. Today we are going to discuss about multidimensional technique for separation of protein. Two-dimensional gel electrophoresis. Two-dimensional gel electrophoresis is considered a powerful tool for proteomics work. It is used for the separation and fraction of complex protein mixtures from biological samples. Two-dimensional electrophoresis separate protein depending upon two different steps. First one is isoelectric focusing and second one is SDS polyacrylide amide gel electrophoresis. First, the protein which the sample we have to separate is subjected to isoelectric focusing, then followed by SDS stage. Sample preparation. The native sample need to be converted to a physiochemical state suitable for the first dimension isoelectric focusing and keep the native charge and MR of the constant protein in order to get good result. First dimension is isoelectric focusing. Protein depend upon its pi of protein. Protein are amphoteric molecules and positive and negative zero net charge they carry depending upon the pH of the surroundings. Isoelectric point is defined as pH of the solution at which net charge of the protein becomes zero. The protein with a positive net charge will migrate towards the cathode and becoming less positively charged until reaching its isoelectric point, while protein with a negative charge will migrate towards anode, becoming less negatively charged until it also reaches its isoelectric point. Second is SDS phase. It is separation of protein based on the molecular weight and molecular size. Next one is GCMS, gas chromatography and mass spectroscopy. It consists of two, that is GC and MS. It is a multidimensional approach which consists of gas chromatography and mass spectroscopy. In first dimension, the sample is subjected for the gas chromatography. Then in second dimension, it is subjected to mass spectrometry, that is separation of protein based upon the size and charge. High pressure gas is induced into the sample, and when it passes through the column consists of a stationary phase, and based on the affinity the separation of protein takes place and it has been detected in PC. Then it is followed by mass spectroscopy, analytical chemistry technique that helps to identify the amount and the type of chemical present in a sample by measuring the mass to the charge ratio and abundance of gas phase ions. It is an analytical technique performed based upon the mass and ratio of mass and charge. In this technique, molecules are ionized and broken up into many small fragments, some of which have positive ion, and each kind of ion has a particular ratio of mass to charge, that is mass according to the charge. Most of the ion charge is 1, thus the ratio of simply the molecular mass of the ion.